There's there is lot of issues going over here, like carburetor. I don't know what exactly is happening over here. Now the carburetor is giving too much petrol to the head, that to the engine, that it stopped running. I don't know what exactly is the problem. I installed the pump and installed the T over here, so that the return pipe to the tank near because first I installed it down there, it wasn't working at all, that this was not giving enough petrol to the carburetor. Then I installed it over here and still the same. I'm really, I'm totally confused over here, like what exactly is the issue over here. I don't understand that. So instead of doing this and all, I'm thinking to just do one thing, like remove the carburetor out and clean it up and see what happens after that. Okay, so let's just move the carburetor out and clean it up. Alright guys, so I'm opening the carburetor and seeing how the jets are, what condition they are. I have opened this carburetor long before when it was in bike. So after installing it over here, this is the first time I'm opening it up. It was running fine until now. I don't know what happened. So still having the doubts on the jets. Maybe they are chalked or something, but we'll find out after opening it up. The carburetor looks pretty clean from inside, but let's see the jets and the float. That will also test it up. Yes, there is some dirt inside this carburetor, and which was the one. This was the one making issue, and this was the one making problems, and this was the one which wasn't making problem, but the dust which came out from this side of the carburetor. Okay, so let's just move the jets out and see how everything is. Let me just get the air. Alright guys, so I installed an extra fan over here on this side so the airflow would be all over the engine. So now the air is coming next to the carburetor also, and this side the airflow is there, and even to the manifold over here it's also there, and this side. But over this side, the rear end, there is no airflow. But that side, except that side, this whole area is having airflow, and even the bottom of the engine is having airflow. So this is plenty, I think. So maybe if it's necessary means I can install one more over there to keep the engine much cooler, because the weather over here is very hot. So I want this engine to be cool, not to go overheat. And yes, there is an issue like the parts of this it's very hard to find over here. So I need to take care of all the things before get this thing running. So the engine will get maximum airflow. So finally guys, we are done with the BMW. I cannot say done, but almost done. So like yes, in this part I did off camera. Most of the stuff I have done off camera, like the rear body mounting. I have done that before, so this time I did not show it that. So it's steady right now, but there is still this area is remaining to be done, the both sides, that I will do later on. And yes, the lights and the brake lights, the headlights, and there is LED light bar which came with the body over here, the BMW body, and even this lights, the flashing lights and the brake light, all the connection is done and switch is installed right over there. So with that everything is done. So, and yes, the most important thing, the ratio, the jack shaft, I have changed the sprocket from 44 teeth to 25 teeth, and it turned out awesome. Like the ratio, it jumped from 7.2 to 4.3. Like no, 7.5 I was thinking, I think so, 7.5, from 7.5 to 4.2 or 3 or something like this. So it's pretty much awesome, I can say that. But yes, there is still, I need to test that thing out, whether that the ratio is fine or not. But for that you have to wait for the next video. In next video I'm thinking to take it for dunes, some place to test this thing out, if there is anything left over or not. Let's just see. But for me it's almost done, so we are ready for the dunes. So stay tuned guys, and don't forget to miss out the next video, because it's going to be awesome. And for those who are new in my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. And yes, don't miss out the test drive video, because it's going to be awesome, I know that.